Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. It's a brand new day in this world, and we are up and grateful because we have life, and a lot of people don't, because of what's going on in this world, amongst other things. We're up, and your girl is trying to catch her breath from working out this morning. Workout was really good. I had fun doing my program this morning. I'll insert that to let you guys see a little bit of what I did. Babe got up the same time I got up, went to the supermarket to do another 2 weeks shopping, as of course quarantine is still in place and we're still on lockdown here in France. So he's gone to get some stuff for the next 2 weeks, so I'm waiting on him right now. He should be on his way any minute. He should be home. Tyler is getting ready to start school right now. Sarah is having some orange juice. Say morning to the faves. Look, she watching the TV. Hey girl, look up there. Hey, up here, here. She have no time for y'all this morning. Her face is in the TV. So she's having some orange juice and then she's gonna go down for a nap in a bit because she's tired. She's been up since 8 o'clock. So yeah, that's what's going on in this household. Hopefully where you are and in your household everything is going good. The family is healthy and is well. No one is in the hospital, and we just have to continue to send our love, and the orange pulp is in the cup and it's making it hard for her to drink through the whole. And it's continuing to send our love and our strength to all of our healthcare workers and everybody on the front line. So yeah, the numbers here in France are still high. The deaths are still going up. We haven't really seen any change much really. So everything remains the same. It is now mandatory in my city, in our city, that we must wear masks. So what our mayor did is send masks to everybody's mailbox. We haven't received ours as yet, but they know already how much people live in your household, so they send masks for the entire family. Yes, Tyler?
Why the mayor don't have no mask?
Because you're not going outside. Come and say morning to the faves.
So how about...
Can you come here and say, oh, you're so short. Because you go up on your step.
But
go up on your step.
Like that?
Oh yeah, they see you now. Say morning.
Good morning, babe.
What are we about to do? Huh? What is that? That can't read sign. And face can't read.
School.
You're too funny. Alright, I'm gonna get your activities ready, okay?
Okay.
Look at this girl in the orange juice. Finish. It finished, yeah? Anyway. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna get Tyler activities ready for school and wait for babe so I can wipe down and pack out everything because he's gonna come with a good amount of things. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated. Look how the sports bra burned my shoulder. Here. Anyway, you guys, see you guys in a bit. Have a good day and stay safe, y'all. Stay safe. Someone in the comment section asked me this week, how do I make my green juice? I'm gonna assume that you're new, so I'm just gonna go ahead. For all the new subscribers that we have, welcome to our channel. And I have green juice every single morning, and my method remains the same. It never changes. 1 green apple, half of a cucumber, a piece of ginger, not this big, I'm gonna cut this in two, and a stalk of celery. And I make that in my juicer, no water added, and you should get approximately with that 1 full glass of green juice. And because Sarah is such a green juice girl, she knows the routine, so she's ready for hers. She thinks green juice is already in this empty cup. Look at her. There's nothing in it, mama. She's strangling the cup. She's ready for her green juice. Sarah, you're too funny. Alright, so let's show you guys how I do this. I wash all my fruits and veggies first. So there we go. Wash everything. Yeah. Let me cut my apple because this apple is huge. And then I'm, oh, thanks Sarah for dropping my cup. And I'm gonna cut the ginger. Alright, and let's pour up our juicer. Squeeze half of a lemon in there. So I'm gonna squeeze all of that in. You have yourself a nice glass of energy, immune system booster, breakfast, everything in, snack, everything in one. And you just stick a nice straw in there. Flat tummy, whatever you want to call it. Mix it around. See, Sarah is ready. Sarah is so ready. It tastes so good, and Sarah love it. She's ready. Green juice mustache. Green juice mustache. I know you're wiping it on my clothes, huh? Sure. Sarah, you're getting weighty. My hands, jeez. You see there is more she wants, you know? You hear her into juice? Look at her stomach. Leave it, no. Wait, mama, wait. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna feed this girl. Look at her mouth. Sarah, look at your mouth. Look there. Look there. Yeah. You guys, baby's back from the supermarket. So it's my time to take over and sanitize all of these things. So let's do this together. I know Tyler wants to help me to the supermarket haul, but I can't allow him to. So, first thing up, juice. He got juice, apple juice and orange oasis in Naomi and Tyler's favorite. Alright, we got fish. Fish is up. We got avocado. We got cereal for Sarah. We got quinoas. Yogurt for Ty. Lettuce for Mama. Olive oil for Mama. I think I'm just gonna show you everything and then I wipe them off and then wipe off the counter because it's not easy to show you guys and then Ty?
Yes, Mama.
Get up off the ground. What is it?
It's just like the one from
You want to do the supermarket, but you can't. Okay, come around here. He wants to do the supermarket haul with me. You can't touch anything though, right? I'm just gonna show them to you and you tell me what it is. Alright? This one. Yes. This one.
Sausage.
No.
Carrot.
You're too funny.
It looks like
This one.
red spaghetti.
No, it's beef mince. I'm sorry, it's calling. This one.
Maggie.
Yes, barbecue sausage. This one.
Yogurt for Sarah.
Yes. This one.
Cucumber.
Yes. This one.
Yogurt for me.
Yes.
Peanut for Mama.
Almond nuts.
Almond nuts.
Alright, one back down.
Yogurt for Mama and me. Egg for Mama. Egg for Mama. Soap for the toilet.
No, it's for the dishes.
What you do?
Take off your shoes at the door and leave it there. I'm gonna sanitize it when I finish.
Chocolate brush for me.
For you.
Cuckoo!
Apple juice for everyone. Orange juice for everyone. Apple juice for everyone. I don't remember what it is.
Tortilla.
Tortilla.
Oh, you can. Oh, Lord.
What is it?
Sarah is crying.
Tortilla.
Yes, that's it. You got the right one.
I've done everything except one thing. You're gonna have to ask to think what is it.
Okay.
Avocado for Mama and Papa. Yogurt for Sarah. Ham for
This
everyone.
one is turkey. Oh, I got you something. What is this?
Gnocchi for me and Papa. Yum, yum. I want to eat gnocchi every day.
What's this?
Chicken for everyone.
You don't know what this is. This is almond milk for Mama.
Almond milk for Mama.
Oh,
Kinder for me. It's only for me.
yes, it is only for you.
I want to eat it today.
No, no. What is this? Fast.
Bread. Bread. Football. Bread.
It's lettuce.
Bread. Football. Trees.
It's broccoli.
Colorful ball. Colorful water ball.
Colorful ball. Sweet pepper. Papa. He's so funny.
Because of my papa.
Cucumber.
No. Rocket of penny.
What is this?
Red ball.
Tomatoes. More carrots and
Sausage.
some of the things duplicate, so I won't bother showing you guys the duplicate. Come, Tyler, we're not finished. Stay up there and don't come down. What's this?
Can I take this?
Rocket.
Tyler said the right thing. It's quinoa. Alright, get out to the right thing.
Eggs for patch.
Easter hunting eggs.
Yogurt.
What is this?
Popcorn.
And cashew. Oil. More bread. More yogurt. More yogurt. More
Kiwi.
lettuce.
Ball. Tree. A bigger tree.
Celery. Snack for Tyler. All snacks in here.
Here's the round bread. Ball flat.
Sausage for barbecue. Chicken.
Mama,
Mm.
I just want.
Baby, why you buy Nutella?
The big one finished.
Yeah, but from the first time we buy 2 on a small pack.
Alright, that's okay.
Chicken breast. What is it, Tyler? Oranges for Sarah. Zucchini for the fam. Sweet potatoes. Oh, and we have laundry soap, milk for Sarah, and what else? And that's it. A lot of things but duplicates. Duplicates and more duplicates. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna get all these things sanitized. And then I'll get back to homeschooling. That's all the things. It's a lot of mouth to feed around here, y'all. Tyler, be careful. She almost stick in her eye. Hi. 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 Wait, let me make sure see your face. Papa says stop it nice.
Tyler, shh. Where's the camera remote? Because it's echoing the fact that the noise.
It's in the living room.
Okay.
And I'm hiccuping every time.
Oh. Okay, Auntie Priscilla.
Look at that pretty girl. Who's that pretty girl?
Who's that girl?
Why is it echoing if it's off?
You tell me. I don't know where you hear echo.
Echo of Tyler is just loud.
This Tyler just low.
Hello.
You guys, while my girl was sleeping, I went ahead and made dinner. So let me show you guys what I whipped up real quick. So for dinner today, I made some oven baked chicken. So there we go with the oven bake. That's it right there. That's the sauce. We have some steamed veg over here for the parents. And some rice over here for the boy. And there goes Din Din. Done. Well, Tyler is eating. It's time for me to eat, and I'm making something different for me for dinner. I have a tortilla wrap, taco, or whatever you want to call it. A wheat one. There's a little olive oil in the pot. So I'm warming this wrap, and I'm going to take the baked chicken and just take a piece of the thigh, and I'm going to put that on the inside of the wrap while it's warming to make a yummy wrap for my dinner. Our wrap is warming really nicely. I have it on low flame actually, and I don't really want to put anything on the inside apart from just the chicken. So that's what I have in there. I'm going to, I think I'm going to grate a little piece of cheese on it, on top of chicken. I didn't want all of it to come out the bag. I don't know why all of it fall out.
Mama?
And I'm going to fold this. I might have to make two, but let's see. I'm going to turn it over nicely, nicely. It looks so good. I think I might have to make two, but if after I eat this one I want another one, I'll come back and make it. But just to give you guys an idea of what I'm making. Babe might like this too, so I don't know if he's gonna want this or he's gonna stick to his rice. But yeah, I think this should be ready by now. And ta-da! There goes my dinner. And I'm gonna have it while it's warm. Thank me later. The thing I made was a success, so I'm gonna make one for babe, and I think I'm gonna make another one for myself. You guys, I have to show you this one up close, which I think is my favorite. Babe made a decision to put an egg in his own, so you have the cheese, the chicken, and egg on top. It looks so yummy. And now I'm gonna flip it over. Oh my god. And this is the second one. Can't even fold how it folds.